Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix fail to join quest session error in the Monster Hunter Rise. So first of all, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. I will show you the three methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. Our first method is to appear online in the Steam and the Xbox. For this you have to just open your Xbox, then click on the Xbox button on the controller, which will open a pop-up page with a sign in tab, and then select your profile and make your way to profile settings, and there under the visibility tab you will be able to select the option appear online and you have to just switch it on. After doing so, you have to just open your Steam and then open the client and open friends tab. Here you have to select visibility option named as online, tap on it and turn it on. After doing so, you have to just move to the next method, which is to empty the lobby slots. Maybe this error occurred due to the slots that are not empty, then you have to just wait till the ATL East one is available, the slots in the session. After doing so, you have to just move to the third and the most effective method, which is basically to change your network from the NAT type 3 to NAT type 2. After doing so, your problem will be fixed 100%. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. For more information, you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guys see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.